Hey, so I'm here at my listing today over here in Hanover, Maryland, and I'm meeting two appraisers today and just wanted to show you some of the steps that we take to make sure our client makes the most money. So the very first thing is I will actually put an appraisal package together for the appraiser to help him have accurate information and make sure we get the best value for our property. So here's a look at our appraisal package. So I'll hand them this folder, and inside this folder you'll see the very first thing is a whole list of improvements that's been done to the property. I don't care how small it is. If it's doorknobs, I want to make sure the client's getting the value for everything that they've done to upgrade their property. Second part of it is I do pull comps, try to justify the price, let him know where we got an idea to list the price at. And then the next thing here is a plot plan. So I'll see if I can't pull a plot plan up. And then actually here's like a blueprint of the property, of the house. And all this is to give the most accurate information to the appraiser to make sure we're not missing anything to get that value. And then if there's a story, if we've had 75 showings in the first week and we got 10 offers and the price escalated, I want him to know that this is a very sought after property and where we're going with it. If you know anybody that's looking for that level of professionalism to push the value for their property, please feel free to have them reach out. I'd be more than happy to go over it with them. Thank you.